Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial and like a review, first impression swatches of the new Vanity Makeup Signature eyeshadow palette. I see a couple of people uploaded their reviews already. I wanted to be the first one, but whatever, I've been out of the game for a minute. I'm excited to see what kind of look we can create with this. I wanted to save the packaging and show it to you because it was super cute. It comes in a nude box like this and it is all wrapped up. Now this palette is $95, extremely expensive, but my sister says that it's a really good makeup brand and really good quality, so that it's going to be worth it. I did buy it myself. This is not like PR or anything like that. I put up an Instagram story poll to see if you guys wanted to see a review, and most of you guys said yes. Now the box is huge. It feels very large and luxurious, which is good. Yeah, good quality box. I know that might seem dumb to some people, but to me, presentation is everything. And the cardboard is really thick and sturdy, and I love the nude with like the gold. So the packaging is beautiful. It's double layered, insulated, the bubble wrap. Okay, so once you get it out of the box, it is still super really cute. Same deal, shiny, focus. Shiny, nude. All right, it doesn't want to focus. But it's shiny, it's nude, and it's got gold all around the outsides, and it's like ribbed. It makes that noise. It's super thick, like it's thick and heavy. So when you open it up like this, it does have like a protective film in there, which I kind of like. I might leave that on for now because then it won't glare in the camera. So it doesn't open all the way. I wish it would, like, I really want to crack it and like open it all the way. But this is what the shades look like. Actually looks more warm tone than what I was expecting from the pictures. I don't know if I'm just crazy or what, but I'll have to put a picture in here and see if it looks the same. I can already see in the reflection of my mirror the way that these tones are glittering and glimmering in the light. They look absolutely beautiful. I'm really excited to do this. So let's do it. I'm going to start with swatches. If you're not interested in the swatches, just fast forward, honey, because we're going to do a whole tutorial, okay? If you guys could have just seen what I had to do to get the thumbnail. I mean, when you see the thumbnail, you'll understand. Okay. Okay, now it's time to officially dive in and start playing around with the colors. I don't know exactly what look I have in mind, but I go by the seat of my pants in these kinds of videos, and we usually come up with something really nice. So I'm going to start... This is a little bit light for a transition shade for me, so I'm going to start with the caramel colored shade and a fluffy brush that we got in a BOXYCHARM. And I'm going to start swiping this. Here, let me pick up my camera so I'm not like looking down on you guys. Or not my camera, my mirror. Okay. So this is... beautiful already, right? You guys see the pigment. I know I can see it because I can see it. So it's very soft. There's actually not too much fallout. I expected a little bit more fallout because they felt so soft in the swatches. There's a little bit of fallout on the pan that I'm looking at when I dip in it, but it doesn't seem to be falling out on the face, which is good. So this shade is absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it's just maybe like a half a shade darker than my skin tone, which does make for a perfect transition shade. But if you know me, you also know that I like a ton of dimension, so I'm also going to go in with a stone just on the same brush, and I'm going to go just a tad bit lower. Some people might have done that first, but you know, I really don't care. You can do it in whatever order you want. Like some people would do like the lower crease shade first and then blend upward with a lighter color, but I really, like I said, I don't care. So as you can see, this is just adding a little bit more dimension because the cool tone mixed with the like more warm tone, it do that. It do add dimension. Ain't nobody more beautifuler than you. Do you know that TikTok? I don't know why the way that I said it, do that, reminded me of that TikTok. I love that TikTok with a cute little fish. Okay, anyways. Focus, Kelsey. I'm going to take a little bit of a more dense fluffy brush and I'm dipping it into our chocolate brown shade right here. This one does have a decent amount of fallout, and I am going to slowly start circular motioning it into my outer corner. Okay. So my goal for this look is not as much of a cat eye as I usually do. Typically, I would take a really dark brush and I would pack it on in a cat eye fashion. But I want a little bit more of a normal... Ooh, tap off that excess because it is pigmented. I just want a little bit more of a standard, I guess, eyeshadow look today. Not so much precise and cat eye like. So you can see this side is already much darker because I picked up more product on my brush, which is fine with me, but just gotta go back in and darken up this one. So absolutely beautiful. $95 is so much to spend on a palette, and if I wasn't like a YouTuber, I don't know if I would do it. Like, it's totally worth the money though, 100%. So I guess it just depends on if you have it. And don't let that make you doubt the quality of the palette. I'm just a very, like, I don't want to say frugal, but I like to save money and I like to get deals. So for me, $100 on a palette, that's a lot, even if it's perfect. But this is perfect. So I do recommend it 100% if you can afford it. Absolutely. It's stunning. It's beautiful. It's high quality. It makes your job a hell of a lot easier. And to be honest with you, this palette could get you through like 10 years of makeup looks on just neutral, and you've still got like interesting colors in here. It's not like it would be boring neutrals. So it would be a good investment and I would recommend it. Okay. I have to choose one of the sparkly shades to put on. How am I supposed to choose? I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm going to tap this on, it kind of provides a guide, like you see how it's lighter in here? That provides a guide for where you're going to want to put your lid shade. So really just the center of the lid. And I will go into the inner corner a little bit. And bring it. Oh, that's beautiful. It's so beautiful. And mind you, I'm putting this on dry, you guys. A lot of the times with a shimmery shade like this, I'll either get it wet, spray my brush, or I will put a concealer down and do like a cut crease to help bring out the shimmer shade. But you don't even need to with this. It's so pigmented and shimmery on its own that you don't even need to. But if you wanted to, my gosh, I'm sure it would make it pop 1,000 times more. Look at how beautiful this is. Like, stunning, stunning. I'm gonna take a, nope, that's not what I want. I'm gonna take a teeny tiny little brush and I'm going to mix the stone shade with the brown shade. And I am going to swipe my outer lower lash line. I have a trick I've told you guys before. Shut your eye tight like this, look up, and then just go like this. Shove it right into your eyelashes. I use this brush on purpose because it only picks up a tiny bit of shadow. So then you're not overkilling your lower lash line. It's like not very dense, that's why. Like it just picks up like the right amount of shadow. And then I'm gonna take a little nub brush and I'm gonna do an inner corner. So I'm gonna do the inner corner with this beautiful wedding shade here. Okay, oh. I could definitely see this being like my upper lip highlight shade as well. Yeah, and the nose, honey. I love it. I love it. What do you guys think of this look? I think it's beautiful. This would be like, you could dress this up or down. The palette, you could get like a ball gown night out look from this palette, or you could get like a casual neutral eye look from this palette. It's great. So I'm absolutely in love with this. I'm very happy with the purchase. I'm not kicking myself that I spent $100 on it. I think it's beautiful. So let me know what you guys think of the tutorial and what you think of the palette. Did you buy it? Have you tried it yet? Mine just came in the mail yesterday, I think, or the day before. So yeah, I'm super excited. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for me and leave me a comment. It'll help me out a lot because I just got back into doing videos again, so it'll help me a lot if you thumbs it up and comment it to help it like get out there a little bit more. I would really appreciate it. But yeah, follow my TikTok. That's all I have else to say. Love you guys times 1,000 and appreciate you so much. Leave me a comment down below. I will talk to you guys down there. Bye.